Welcome to our news channel. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Hello friends, good evening and welcome. The Supreme Court has nullified the election victory of Bayelsa Governor-elect David Lyon and that of his deputy Degi-Eremienyo. Lyon was the candidate of the All Progressive Congress (APC) in the election. His victory also meant the first time a candidate of the APC would be winning a governorship election in Bayelsa. Lyon's election victory was nullified because his running mate Degi-Eremienyo presented a forged certificate to the Electoral Commission. The five-man panel of the Supreme Court, led by Justice Mary Peter-Odili, upheld the November 12, 2019 judgment of the Federal High Court in Abuja, which had disqualified Degi-Eremienyo, the deputy governor, from partaking in the election for submitting forged certificate to INEC. The court ruled that the deputy governor, Degi-Eremienyo's disqualification had infected the joint ticket with which he and the governorship candidate Lyon won the election. In an anonymous judgment delivered by Justice Eremieoyo, the court ordered the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) to withdraw the certificate of return issued to Lyon, who was declared winner of the November 16, 2019 election. The Apex Court also ordered that a fresh certificate be issued to the governorship candidate with the highest vote, caste and wide geographical spread in the governorship election. This essentially means that the candidate of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) in the election, Diri Doye, will become the next governor of Bayelsa State. The verdict arrived 24 hours before Lyon's swearing-in ceremony, which had been billed to hold on Friday, February 14, 2020, at the Samson Siasa Sport Complex in Yenogua, the Bayelsa State capital. The APC in Bayelsa had declared a 2-day fasting and prayer season for all party faithful in readiness for the inauguration ceremony and a new administration. Okay guys, this is a big one coming in here from the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court, as you can see, has nullified the election victory of Bayelsa Governor-elect David Lyon and his deputy. And this is happening just an hour to the inauguration day, after a lot of arrangement and every other thing. You know, the venue, as some of the photos here, as you can see, the venue was actually arranged, and the governor was even rehearsing on how he's going to step into the stadium, how he's going to stand, how he's going to wave to the people in the stadium. And this is happening just 24 hours before Lyon's swearing-in ceremony, and that was supposed to be held tomorrow, which is a Friday, 14th February 2020. And the Supreme Court said the deputy governor submitted forged certificate to INEC. Now the big question is this: what really happened that INEC accepted this certificate? Why did INEC not actually come up with this before now? Okay guys, just stay tuned as I will be giving you more of this story. We're going to see what is happening in Bayelsa State. Please, if you're just joining us, don't forget to hit on the comment section of the video and also hit on the red subscribe button below the video. Thank you.